So follow your dreams, cause if you don't, you might fall and never get back up, trying to pay your debt off. 5 credit cards and a heart full of scars, and you're working 3 jobs and you're a single mom.
Alright guys, we're here at iPull-uPull in Fresno, and I came to get parts for my truck, and the guy said that this is the closest one to it, so we're just gonna take parts off of it. I know it's a van, but it still has the same parts. And right now we took off the serpentine belt. Took out the serpentine belt, and then right now we're gonna try and take off the alternator. Alright guys, right now we're going to another truck to see if we can find the fuse box. Like that, because the one on the truck is messed up. The fuse or the fuel pump doesn't work, so we're gonna go look for another fuse box on another car. Here's the fuse box right here. I'm probably gonna remove it. I just have to wait for my uncle to tell us if that's the right one, and we're gonna take it off and put it on our truck.
Go crazy! Go stupid! Ah!
Take off the alternator right now. Here we go. There's, here it is.
There it is.
There we go. I got a new alternator for the project check. Yeah. What happened? I don't even know where my dad's at, but I'm gonna. Alright, now that that's over with, basically I just took off the alternator and the windshield wipers don't work on my truck, so I'm gonna take off the motor for the windshield wipers and hopefully it works. But for some reason I took off all the bolts and still doesn't want to come off, so I think there's a bolt here, so let's just get on here real quick. So, what you Alright guys, we're leaving right now, and since my dad was over there staying down for the longest time while I was taking off the alternator, he's paying me back right now, so he's gonna wheel me all the way back to the entrance. So yeah. Alright guys, we just finished up right now at the junkyard and we paid already and everything. We're probably gonna head back home. If we get something to eat, I'll record what we get to eat. And whenever we get home, we're gonna go to my uncle's house. He's gonna help us install the alternator and everything. So I'll record some of that for you guys over there too. Alright guys, we just got back from the junkyard right now. I just got home, and we're gonna rest up a little before we go to my uncle's house. Alright guys, we're back at my house. I'm sorry we didn't get no clips over there. We're really busy, our hands are really dirty, so I don't really want to be touching my phone. So I'm just gonna explain to you guys what we did to the truck. I'm gonna pop the hood for you guys right now, show you the brand new alternator, show you what else we're doing on the truck, and yeah, just let me get to that. Now we're gonna pop the hood. I'm gonna set the phone down for a second while I pop the hood open real quick. Alright, now that we got the hood open, you can see everything inside here. It's pretty old and dusty, but it still runs pretty good. So here's a brand new alternator right there. We installed it. Everything else is pretty much good on the truck. We did a tune-up on it and everything, so it's working good. As you can see right here, water pumps back there. It's already going bad, so I'm probably gonna replace that later on in another video, but as of right now, that's basically what we did at my uncle's house. I'm gonna show you what else we did. Yeah, the interior is beat as well, but hey, it still does the job. Here you read the sticker. It says no quema cut, but sí quema cut. And look at the sticker right there. Primos Vlogz, you already know. And so alright, so right here, as you can tell, the radio's gone, the glove compartment's gone. There's an old alternator core. But right here, what we're doing right now, my uncle basically helped me set up the wires. We set up all the wires and everything. He got the old speakers to work, so they work pretty good, but you know, I still want that kick in the speakers when I'm playing my music. So basically what we're gonna do I ordered some Pioneer speakers. I'll show you guys here on the screen. Alright guys, so this is the dash kit I bought right here. This is the original radio used to sit, but I installed the dash kit right here. This is the aftermarket radio we're going to be installing, JVC. Has USB, auxiliary port, everything that we need in order to get our music rolling. Alright guys, so speakers got here. Alright, each right here, Pioneers, got everything right here. Alright guys, so instead of putting the Pioneers on the doors like I said, we're gonna put them in a box now instead. So I'll show you guys a box real quick. Here's the box right here. As you can see, there's a different subwoofer in there right now. That's an 8-inch subwoofer. But since I bought the Pioneers, I'm gonna put them in here, but the hole's too big. So what I did was I cut out a piece of wood big enough for the Pioneers to fit inside. See, they sit on there good. So put my piece of wood. I'm gonna bolt it right there all the way around. And then like that one's sturdy. I stick down there, bolts all around. I put the cover on. Yeah, it should be good after that. Alright, so here's our wooden piece. You can see it's kind of ugly. So we're gonna try to make it look nice like this one. Makes it look a whole lot nicer than it was before. So we're gonna make this real quick. One for this side. And I'm gonna show you guys all the materials that I used to make it, so you guys can know if you guys wanna try it. And yeah. First thing you need is the piece of wood that you cut out to the side of your speaker, the speaker itself, some sort of material to cover the wood, staple gun. And before you start, make sure you have something sharp to cut the material you're using. And yeah, I'm just gonna do a little time lapse of me just making this piece so you guys see it's not to wait. I'll just do it real quick, and yeah. Alright, now we have two of these. Just finished making the second one, so now that we have these two, all that's left is to install the speakers. So, alright, this is a fitment after. This is how they should look once we finally drill them down and everything. So, I think it looks pretty good, but now that we have everything ready, once we wire them up, I'm gonna record, show you guys how we wired them up, and then probably play a couple songs for you guys so you guys can hear them. And just a little reminder, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Helps us a lot, helps us grow on our channel. It gives more motivation to make more videos, so that'd be great if you guys could just do that. And yeah.
Yeah, smoking this medicine, feeling so happy. Said don't try to kill my vibe, cause you irrelevant. Talking to me like you know me, you're phony. I don't need no questions, I just want some answers. Feeling like this, I've been nothing but cancer. Working on me while you work for them bastards. Bitch, I'm the master, don't treat me like cattle. I pick up my fist and I go on to